In this video, we'll demonstrate some tricks to aid in linking data in a spreadsheet to items in the price database. In the prior video, we learned how to link to a specific item by including the shortcut code in the paste grid. Let's open up a sample spreadsheet from ABC Supply and copy some data. They have included the catalog number. As we saw in the previous video, the clipboard fields box breaks down the first line copied from the spreadsheet into its columns. Now we just select each line in the box and assign it to the field in the paste grid. Trick number 1 is assigning the catalog to the UPC field. When we paste from the wizard, PricePoint attempts to find the UPC number we gave it. Failing that, it then tries to find the catalog number in the database. Neat, huh? Let's start over so we can learn another trick using the paste wizard. We'll just get a new bill of materials, then check Use Nets and choose ABC Supply in the drop-down. This will allow us to quickly set the net prices automatically when the net price column is included. Now, let's paste and we'll see the Save This Net box. Click Autosave to permanently save all of the net prices from this supplier to your PricePoint net list.